In 2019, GPT-2 shocked the world by writing text that sounded human. Today, generative AI is everywhere. Early AI models produce clunky results. 2018-2019 Transformers, BERT, GPT-2 unlocked new possibilities. GPT-3, 2020, GPT-4, multimodal models. Image generators like Midjourney and DALL-E expanded creativity. Used in writing, design, coding, music, transformed industries like marketing, law, and education. Generative AI is like an improvising musician. It doesn't just replay notes, it creates new melodies. AI will collaborate with humans, not replace them. Ethical concerns, bias, misinformation, job disruption. Generative AI went from novelty to necessity in under a decade. The next chapter is human-AI co-creation.